With vaccination being rolled out in record pace across the country, we are getting closer to the pre-COVID times. With the economy opening up and things returning to normalcy, air travel has also seen a big jump from the pre-COVID era. The Civil Aviation Ministry has revealed that air services are back to pre-COVID times after dropping by over 90% during the peak of the pandemic. But with air traffic, there is also some bad news for passengers. You will have to spend more to book your tickets for air travel. The Civil Aviation Ministry has increased the lower and upper limits on domestic airfares by 10 to 30%. The order given on Thursday also says that the new limits would remain in force up to March 31st, 2021 or until further orders. After the lockdown was eased, flight operations restarted on May 21st last year. While announcing the resumption of domestic flights, the government had placed limits on airfares through 7 bands. These price bands have been placed on the basis of flight duration. The first such band is for flights that are of less than 40 minutes duration. The lower limit for the first band has been increased now from 2,000 to 2,200 rupees. Meanwhile, the upper limit in this band has now been increased to 7,800 rupees from 6,000 rupees earlier. For the category of flights that have a time duration between 180 and 210 minutes, the prices have been increased to 24,200 rupees from 7,200 rupees earlier. Similar changes have been made to the other flights according to their duration as well. The cap on the number of domestic flights that Indian Airlines have been permitted to operate will remain at 80% of their pre-COVID levels. This cap will stay in place till 31st March or till the summer schedule begins. The Aviation Ministry has suffered a lot due to the pandemic. In the peak of the pandemic, several airlines announced salary cuts and job losses of employees. Now with flight services returning to pre-COVID times, one hopes that things return to normalcy for the aviation industry as well. The DGCA has increased the minimum fare on all 7 sectors by 10 to 12% and has raised the limit on maximum fare by around 30% as per the government order.